Hey, what's up everyone? This is Mr. Technology here, and today we have an unboxing of the iPad Smart Folio case. So this is a Smart Folio case that has been developed for the latest iPad 4th generation, and as you can see we have it here in the space gray / black color. So without further ado, we'll get straight into the packaging. So first off, you'll notice that there is a tab here where you can slide this up out of. So let me just go ahead here and pull at the tab. And there doesn't seem to be any seals on either side. So it should simply slide out and voila. So here we go. And straight away we're presented with the case on the top. And oh wow. So quite uber thin. It's a very soft touch feel. It has a rubberized texture to it, extremely soft and smooth. On the back we have the cutout for the camera hole and as well as an embossed Apple logo. And if we open the case up, it opens in your typical iPad case format with a soft microfiber cloth lining inside just to prevent it from scratches. And actually what's unique about this case is you see there's no edges, and that's because there's magnets built into it, so the iPad automatically latches on. Now I also did pick up the latest iPad Air, so I will be unboxing it and showing how it fits into this case. So if you'd like to see more videos, don't forget to subscribe and share and like and comment. So yeah, nothing else inside the box. So this is it. This has been the unboxing of the Smart Folio for the new iPad Air 4.